Namaskar all. I am Grisha Mathur from first day Cambridge Court High School. Today I am gonna do an experiment of making rain. So we need a glass jar, boiling water, a plate, and some ice cubes. I have already put some boiling water in the jar, so we can put the plate on it. We need to wait for a few seconds. Then we can add the ice cubes. Now, water in the air, when it touches the cool plate, it will come back like water drops. So water in the air makes clouds and comes back in the form of rain. So that's how rain is made. See.